How do successful businesses implement good HR practices for developing a motivated workforce? SMEs often struggle with employee motivation due to outdated or ineffective HR practices. Common issues include a lack of focus on employee engagement, complex or ambiguous HR policies, underutilization of technology, a failure to consider outsourcing HR functions, and insufficient training for managers on HR responsibilities. To address these challenges, we've created the F.O.R.C.E framework, which stands for Focused Optimization, Reinforced Culture, and Engagement, a combination of standard and innovative practices to help SMEs improve their HR processes and boost employee morale. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to implementing this framework. Wait, are you sure you're exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at how Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.